Is neck pain making your day-to-day tasks a struggle? It's time to change that. Neck pain is more commonplace than you might think. It's a modern-day nemesis that, for many, turns the simplest of tasks into a daunting challenge. Whether it's staring at your computer for hours on end or simply turning your head to check your blind spot while driving, neck pain can creep in and disrupt your daily life in the most unexpected ways. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. Physical therapy stretching techniques are a tried-and-true method for managing and even eliminating neck pain. They're not just for recovery from injuries, but can also serve as a preventative measure to keep neck pain at bay. And the best part? You can perform these stretches right in the comfort of your own home by yourself. Today, we'll guide you through some effective neck stretching techniques. The first stretch on our list is the neck tilt. This simple yet effective technique can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's a great way to relieve tension and stiffness in your neck. Let's dive right into it. The neck tilt is all about controlled movement. Whether you're standing or sitting, the important thing is to maintain an upright posture. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your gaze forward. Picture yourself as a puppet, being held up by a string from the crown of your head. This imagery can help you maintain the perfect posture for this stretch. Now gently lower your chin towards your chest. It's not a race, so take your time. As you do this, you should feel a gentle stretch at the back of your neck. Hold this position for about 5 to 10 seconds. You're not aiming for pain here, just a mild, comfortable stretch. If you feel any discomfort or pain, ease back a little. It's okay. No one is keeping score. Once you've held the position, slowly lift your head back up to its original position. Remember that puppet string? Imagine it pulling you back up. This upward movement should be just as slow and controlled as when you lowered your head. Now, you've completed one repetition of the neck tilt, but don't stop here. This stretch is most effective when repeated. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, or as many as you feel comfortable with. The key is consistency and regular practice. The neck tilt is not just about physical movement, it's also a moment of mindfulness. Pay attention to the sensation in your neck as you perform this stretch. This can help you become more aware of your body and its needs. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't rush through this stretch. Take your time to do it right, and your neck will thank you. It's not about how many you can do, but how well you can do them. So, keep practicing, and you'll notice a difference in no time at all. Now, we're moving on to the Levator scapular stretch. This stretch specifically targets the Levator scapulae, a muscle that runs along the back of your neck and shoulders. When this muscle is tight, it can contribute to neck pain and stiffness. So let's stretch it out. Start by finding a comfortable upright position, either sitting or standing. Keep your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Now, to perform this stretch, turn your head to the right and look down towards your right armpit. Use your right hand to gently apply additional pressure on your head, deepening the stretch. Remember, gentle is the key word here. You're aiming for a relieving stretch, not an intense pain. Hold this position for about 15 to 20 seconds. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck, extending down to your shoulder. Listen to your body. If you feel any sharp or intense pain, ease up on the stretch a bit. The goal is a relieving stretch, not to strain your muscles. After the stretch, slowly lift your head back to the center, aligning your neck with your spine. Repeat this stretch on the other side, turning your head towards your left armpit and using your left hand to deepen the stretch. Try to perform this stretch 3 to 5 times on each side. Remember, it's all about slow, controlled movements. Rushing through the stretch or using jerky movements can strain your muscles, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. The Levator scapular stretch is an excellent exercise to relieve neck tension and improve flexibility. Regular practice of this stretch can help you keep your neck muscles relaxed and pain-free. Remember, your body deserves care and attention, so take a few minutes each day to perform these stretches and your neck will thank you. Next, we have the side neck stretch. This stretch is a simple yet effective way to alleviate neck tension and promote flexibility. To perform the side neck stretch, begin by finding a comfortable upright position. This could be sitting or standing, but the key is to ensure your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Now, let's get into the stretch. Slowly tilt your head towards your right shoulder, as if you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. It's important to remember to keep your left shoulder down. Don't let it creep up towards your ear as you tilt your head. This will ensure the stretch is targeted at your neck muscles, rather than distributing it across your shoulders. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. If you feel any sharp or intense pain, ease up on the stretch a bit. It should feel relieving, not straining. After holding the stretch, slowly return your head back to the center, aligning it with your spine. Take a moment to relax your neck muscles before repeating the stretch on the other side, this time tilting your head towards your left shoulder and keeping your right shoulder down. Perform this stretch 3 to 5 times on each side. Remember to maintain a slow, controlled movement throughout. Jerky or quick motions can strain your neck muscles and counteract the benefits of the stretch. The side neck stretch is a fantastic way to combat the stiffness and tension that often accumulates in our necks from hours of sitting or looking at screens. It's a small investment of time that can make a big difference in your comfort and flexibility. And there you have it. This stretch can be a real game changer for relieving neck tension. So the next time you feel a twinge in your neck, give the side neck stretch a try. It might just become your new go-to for instant relief. Let's move on to the neck turn. This is a simple but effective technique designed to increase mobility and flexibility in your neck. It's particularly helpful for those who spend a lot of time in a static position, perhaps sitting at a desk or driving, as it encourages movement in a part of the body that can easily become stiff and tense. The neck turn is exactly as it sounds, a gentle turn of the neck from one side to the other. As with all stretches, it's important to start in a comfortable and stable position. This could be sitting or standing upright, whatever feels best for you. The key here is to be relaxed and not strain yourself. When you're ready, begin by slowly turning your head to one side. It's important to keep the rest of your body still, particularly your shoulders. This ensures the movement is isolated to the neck, which is the area we're focusing on. Turn your head as far as it feels comfortable. You should feel a gentle stretch, but it should never feel painful. If you feel any discomfort, ease back slightly. Once you've turned your head to one side, hold this position for a few seconds. This pause allows the muscles to gently stretch and relax. After a few seconds, slowly bring your head back to the center, returning to your starting position. Now repeat the process on the other side. Turn your head slowly, hold for a few seconds, and then return to the center. It's recommended to do this stretch several times on each side. Remember, the aim is not to force your neck into uncomfortable positions, but to encourage gentle, controlled movement. Listen to your body, and only move as far as feels comfortable. The neck turn is a great stretch for improving neck mobility. By incorporating it into your routine, you can help to reduce tension, increase flexibility, and ultimately, alleviate neck pain. It's a simple step, but one that can make a significant difference to your overall neck health and comfort. The neck turn is a great stretch for improving neck mobility. Last but not least, we have the shoulder roll. This stretch is a fantastic way to alleviate strain and stress that has built up in your neck and shoulders. It's simple, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime. So let's dive right in and learn how to perform a proper shoulder roll. Start by standing or sitting upright. You want to make sure your spine is straight and your head is level. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, elevating your posture. Good posture is key here, as it allows the muscles in your neck and shoulders to work effectively and reduces the risk of injury. Next, let's get those shoulders moving. Slowly roll your shoulders up towards your ears, then gently push them back as if you're trying to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Continue the circular motion by rolling them down and then bringing them forward. You've just completed one full shoulder roll. Now, keep the rhythm going. Repeat this cycle several times at your own pace. Remember, this isn't a race. The slower and more controlled your movements are, the more your muscles will benefit from this exercise. After you've done several shoulder rolls in this backward direction, it's time to switch things up. This time, start by rolling your shoulders forward, up towards your ears, then back and down. Again, aim for slow, deliberate movements. You may start to feel a slight burn in your shoulder muscles, and that's perfectly normal. It's a sign that your muscles are working and releasing that built-up tension. Now you might be wondering, how many times should I do this? Well, a good rule of thumb is to do 10 to 15 rolls in each direction. But remember, listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort, ease back a bit. There you have it. The shoulder roll is a simple yet effective stretch that can help relieve tension in your neck and shoulders. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you'll soon notice the difference. This stretch is great for relieving tension in the neck and shoulders. That's it. 5 simple stretching techniques that can help alleviate your neck pain. We started with the gentle neck tilt, an exercise designed to increase flexibility and ease tension. Next, we introduced the Levator scapular stretch, a crucial addition specifically targeting the levator scapulae muscle to relieve neck tension and improve flexibility. Thirdly, we move to the side neck stretch, a wonderful way to lengthen and relax those stubborn neck muscles. Our fourth stretch technique, the neck turn, targets both flexibility and range of motion, key factors in managing neck pain. Lastly was the shoulder roll, a classic yet effective stretch that not only benefits the neck but also the shoulders, promoting overall upper body relaxation. The importance of consistency and maintaining correct form in these stretches cannot be overstated. By integrating these techniques into your daily routine, you can indeed make a significant difference in managing your neck pain. Remember, it's not about how much you do, but how well you do it. Remember, neck pain doesn't have to be a life sentence. With these stretching techniques, you can take control of your neck pain and get back to living your life.
Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to watch more of Dr. Yaz's PT videos.